Welcome back to Julie in the kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I make my ackee and saltfish. So come on and let's get started. So guys, here we have our 2 tins of ackee. I'm using double dose, and we definitely have to use tin because we're not in Jamaica. We can get it from the tree, so we're gonna be using, you know, the ones we can get here. And I have black pepper, I have salt, and I have my coconut oil. Here I have my bell pepper, tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, some scallion, onion, and a little bit of garlic. So we're gonna get started. Here I have, if you look over here, you see I have my codfish already soaked boiling. So I'm gonna clean up, and then when I come back, I'm gonna show you how I clean my saltfish, and we're gonna be cooking. I'm gonna strain off the water from the ackee. So I'm using my steamer. So this ackee is already cooked. So I have a pot of boiling water with some salt in it. I'm gonna put my steamer on. I'm gonna steam, leaving it here to steam for a little bit while I get my codfish ready. So I have my codfish here. I'm gonna use a spoon and I'm gonna clean. This fish has a lot of bones and stuff to take off. So I'm gonna use a spoon and I'm gonna clean this off. Okay, clean this off. All that needs to come off, and I'm gonna take the bone out. And I'm gonna clean it. And I'm gonna take bone out. Fine bones. So you can get the codfish that has no bone, because you have some that hasn't have any bone at all. But I like this one, it's nice. So I think it's a better codfish, so I buy it with the bones. This is what we used to. This is what I grew up seeing my mother do, cleaning up codfish with bone. We never have boneless codfish before, so I'm used to this one. So I'm cleaning off, and when I come back, I'll show you how I finish cleaning up the codfish and what it looked like. Okay? So guys, we finished cleaning up the fish. Our codfish, see, we have all of these bone and we clean up. And here is all of the fish, the codfish that we have. So I have it here in water. I'm going to throw it off. Okay, here we are. So here is the ackee. It's already steamed and it's ready. It's very good to do it in a steamer, and it's hot. As soon as you put it on, you won't have to keep it too long at the fire because it's already cooked. So we have it over here. I'm going to start cooking up my codfish. I have my friend in here, the other side. And guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel, and leave me a comment. Okay, look over here. See, I have my pot boiling with some flour dumpling, banana, and some yam ready for my ackee. My coconut oil in, and it's preheated. I'm gonna put my small amount of my 1 clove of garlic in. Some people might not like garlic, but I like garlic. Garlic is good in everything. And at the end, you won't taste the garlic, but I know it's there. So, very nice. Okay, I'm gonna put all my seasonings. My pepper, my pepper. You see, ackee is simple. There's not much to do making ackee, and I really cook simple. I like simple and clean kind of cooking. Not a lot of unnecessary stuff if you don't have to. Like it, as I said, clean and simple. So I'm here with my, turn up my fire. Clean and simple. Simple is better. So guys, don't forget to share, to like, share and comment. Give me the thumbs up. And this is how I make my ackee and codfish. A small amount of chicken, a lot. Everything natural seasoning, give it that, you know. And that scotch bonnet pepper, a nice aroma going on here with the pepper, the onion and everything. And this is Jamaican national dish. And you can serve this with bami. You can serve this with festival. You can serve this with cooked food that they call ground porridge, and your yam, your banana, your bread, roast bread, fruit. Anything like that can go with your ackee. So now I'm going to add my codfish. I don't want my season to cook out. So I'm putting in my codfish here. And then I'm going to add my ackee. I have salt here. I might not need the salt based on how the codfish is right now. Because codfish has salt. Even though you boil it sometimes, you know, add some black pepper to this. And I'll add some more to the ackee itself. This is okay. You turn your fire down. It's nice going on here. And it's colorful. That's one thing. I like my food nice and colorful. Thank you. You know. Okay, so now it's ready. And as I said, this is really heated already. As you can see, you don't have too much. You don't have to wait for it for too much. I'm gonna add some more black pepper to this, to the ackee itself. And it's simple. It's not a lot. If you like cooking, it's not really a lot with ackee. It's a simple dish. Even though it's our national dish, it's really simple made, you know, not a lot. Codfish give it its flavor. And if you notice, I don't like to put a lot of codfish. I just like to put enough. I'm gonna taste it to see if you need any salt. And it's nice. You don't need any salt. All it needs is a little bit more black pepper. And they don't need any seasoning. Codfish has the flavor already, so I need nothing more to flavor it. That's our national dish here. And you don't miss home. This kind of this ackee is a good ackee. I would recommend the double deuce. It's really a good ackee. It's a good flavor. It's not crushed too much. It comes out whole, so it's good. So this is it. This is my ackee and my codfish, the Jamaican ackee and codfish. The way I like it. So guys, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And share it with your friends and family. And some people who want to cook ackee and don't know how to cook it, please share this video with them. Remember to give me that thumbs up. So guys, here's my finished product, my ackee and codfish served with yam, dumpling and banana. So guys, it's from my house, my kitchen to your house. So please remember to like, share and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. And please put your notification on that when my next video comes out, you'll be first notified. And please share it with friends and family. as always. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. See you.